In this video, I'll be showing you 3 nail designs inspired by popular fashion trends for fall 2018. The first trend I've been seeing a lot is checkered plaid. Now, I know plaid will forever be a fall staple, but checkered plaid coats are very on trend for the season, especially gray and yellow clueless style plaid. So to create the checkered plaid look, I'll be starting with a gray polish. I did 2 coats and let it dry. Next, I'm using a slightly darker variation of gray and I'm painting a cross shape onto my nail. I tried to make it even, but it's not a big deal if it's not because this will be mostly covered up, but if you do mess up, you can fix it up with the base gray color. Now using a white and black striping polish, I'll be painting on some thin stripes. Starting with the white one, I painted 2 stripes vertically beside the middle gray stripe and I did 2 horizontally. The best way to achieve straight stripes is to go slow and pull your whole arm versus just moving the brush with your wrist. Then I added 3 thin black lines down the middle of my nail in the gray stripe and I did 3 across. If the pattern looks incomplete, you can add some more to the top or bottom of the design to fill it out. And when making horizontal stripes, I find it's easiest if you do half of the line at a time. That way you know one side will be straight and you can connect it on the other side. If the pattern looks incomplete, you can add some more lines to the top or bottom of the design to fill it out. I paired this with a plain gray color on my other nails and I finished with a matte top coat to soften up the manicure. You can wear this as an accent nail with pretty much any color to add a little extra chic to your manicure. Another popular trend I've been seeing is brown clothing, especially chunky brown sweaters or the pairing of different shades of brown. And I personally think that dark brown nail polish will be very popular this season and it can be a fun replacement for a plain black manicure. For this look, I'll be using this gorgeous rich chocolate shade by Zoya called Kateri or Kateri. This color is part of the new holiday 2018 Jubilee collection and it is a 1-coater. This polish will be available October 8th, but I believe you can pre-order the entire Jubilee collection if you need it ASAP. Next, I'll be using a lighter mocha brown shade and adding a little extra detail to the manicure. Half moon manis are one of my favorite designs to do because they look so classic but still cool. So when I designed my collab plate with Maniology, I made sure to add a half circle that I could use to make doing this design easier. And as you can see, it's definitely a lot easier than freehanding every single half moon. You can clean up the excess polish on your skin with tape and then an angled brush dipped in remover. I think this design looks stunning, topped with a nice glossy top coat, but it'd be equally as gorge with a matte finish too. And for the last look, I was inspired by the animal print trend. Okay, again, I think animal print is always in style, but leopard and snake especially are hot this season. I've been seeing a lot of mix and matching of animal prints too. To start off, I'll be using a mustard nail polish and painting on 1 coat. While that's still wet, I immediately brushed in a warm brown shade, and that's just going to add some variation to the color when we add the print. I also dabbed my brush on in a few spots to add a little extra texture. For the print, I'm using another image from my stamping plate, but you definitely don't need to run out and buy my plate to create this look. Like I said, I designed this plate to make doing my fave designs a little easier, but you can totally freehand on a print if you prefer. Then I cleaned up with tape and an angled brush and finished with a matte top coat. I think this design would look so cute as an accent nail on a red or dark blue manicure, or you can let your wild child out and do it on all of your nails like this. So there are 3 fall 2018 fashion trend inspired manicures. Fashion is something that has always inspired my nail art, so this was really fun for me to do. Let me know in the comments which of these trends you're loving or even hating. If you enjoyed this video, I have a whole playlist of fall nail designs and you can click on the box here to watch it. Thanks so much for stopping by and I'll see you next time.